Hello Silicon Soldiers, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through the process of creating your very own GitHub account, step by step. So, if you're ready to dive into the underworld of programming, let's get started. First things first, open up your web browser and head over to github.com. Once you're there, look at the top right corner of the page. See that sign up button? Go ahead and click on it. You'll be greeted by a pretty unique account creation page with a friendly message that says, "Welcome to GitHub. Let's begin the adventure." Pretty cool, right? Alright, the first thing GitHub asks for is your email address. So, type in your email here. Next up, you'll need to create a password. Make sure it's strong and secure. Then, you'll want to create a unique username. GitHub will let you know if the username you want is available or not. Super helpful. GitHub will also ask if you want to receive emails from them. You can tick the checkbox. Personally, I'm going with the newsletter. Finally, you'll need to take a quick test to prove you're not a robot. Click on Verify to start the test. Once you've done that, GitHub will redirect you to the verification page. Meanwhile, GitHub will send a verification email to the address you provided. Check your inbox, find the email, and enter the code they sent you. Now, after signing up, you need to log into your GitHub account. Here I'm logging in with the username and the password that we just created. Next, GitHub will ask a couple of questions to personalize your experience. You have to answer those questions one by one to help GitHub providing you a better experience. After that, GitHub will ask you to select a plan. Here I'm going with the free plan, which is more than enough. If you want, you can go for the GitHub Pro or the Students Pack, and that's it. Now you'll be taken to your GitHub dashboard. From here, you can search for other projects, create your first project, or check out your profile by clicking on your profile picture in the top right corner. So there you have it, creating a GitHub account is quick and easy. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tech tips. Thanks for watching and happy coding.